Install the two side pieces to the undertail. Guide the undertail into place. Slide the mount bar through in the back. Set it up into the subframe. Install both passenger foot peg support brackets. At this point, you can torque the front two fasteners on each side. Then with a wrench, hold the mount bar and torque the back two fasteners. Set the washers in place for the preload adjuster. Start the two screws and torque to spec. Lay the back portion of the harness into place. Be sure it is underneath the seat mount tab. Properly route the harness into place, connecting all components. Set the front component of the underbelly into place, sliding it into the tabs. Finish routing any other components. Secure the ECM down with the two fasteners and torque to spec. And add any associated wire ties.